guys? Today we're in a different game. We're not in the normal game I usually play, Deep Hide and Seek, but we're in a game, a fun game, a very fun game. Build a boat. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own puppet, your own puppet. That is your own character puppet. First, you're probably gonna want to use one of these blank Roblox avatars, like this. But okay, once you put on the avatar that you're gonna want to do, remember the more complex the avatar, the harder. I'm just doing a simple avatar because I don't want to do that. I don't want to do too much. But yeah. So first, you're gonna want to trace your avatar. Now I'm gonna speed this part up because it's a bit boring. You just want to start make one cube per that, yeah. And then you can copy it. I think I'm gonna make that a bit taller. Set it to scale 0.2, just so it's perfectly got that little gap in there. Then do the torso. Do it right in front of here so you can use your actual avatar for scale. I'm going to shrink these down because they're not actually matching it anymore. And then, now make sure to put some little gap in there. I'm going to use that as a second. Then you can make the arms special, but usually I'm just copy and paste away, so they're just the same. You can make the arms have gap. I think that comes to it. And then for the head, this is the hard part. And put in this. Use whatever round. Wait, you can use square, but if you have any round objects, hold on. Oh, you can copy and paste and make it a round. But personally, I'm just gonna make it a block. Now, what I like to do. Still. Can it fit? It can fit entire thing. Okay. Okay, that's great. Now that the hard part. For the head, you're gonna want to put it up a bit extra. Now recolor it to the colors of your avatar. If you want it to be R6, R6, R15, I think it's R15. You're gonna wanna put multiple joints, but that's hard. So I'm not gonna do that. I might make a tutorial on how to do that, but. And then you're gonna want to put it up a bit, and actually put the joints farther down, farther apart, and the arms are gonna go down a bit too, and then so it kind of looks like that. Then you're gonna want to get rope. You're gonna need rope. Like that. And boom. This one. Boom. Boom. Well, actually, these up there. If you need then do that because try not to make it too long. If I find something, move the arms like this. Try to move that into the two. Do that. Boom. Okay, that's a bit high. It's gonna look a bit weird. Now if you then that's a good puppet so far. Then next thing you're gonna want to do, like, put like the most like unbreakable block you have, and then boom, boom. Actually, wait, hold on. Scale it. Go to 1. Go up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't make any 6, 7 jokes in the comments. 7, 8, 9. No, I'm just using gold because that's the only thing I have that could be like good. But and then you're gonna wanna copy and paste it. It doesn't really matter how far away you put it. You're gonna want to copy and paste it on all 4 sides, and then get and then put just the normal car wheels on it. You know, so not really doesn't matter how bad it looks. This part looks because one part you don't have to worry about, and then go bridge across. Another bridge across there. Another bridge across here. And then next thing you're going to do is get a like rope here, and then put the rope right there. And then hide all this during this, so it's all that, so it's invisible. Then actually you might want to make the other stuff. You might want to make the thing first. You might want to place a chair first, but then you place a chair. Remember it by like marking it with like some kind of thing. I don't know. I'm going to mark it with a little one of these stars. Boom. And then alright, and then what you're gonna want to do, move it up a bit. If you don't have the this tool, then wait, how would you even do the tutorial? If you don't have that, then cut the elbows. Then somehow get up here. You can also select all. And then climb. And then you got a little puppet that you can like drive around and like